Alright guys, we are going to solve the third problem. It is a continued math problem. So the question says, which equation below could represent the data? Which equation below could represent the data in the table? This is the data in the table represents points on a line, on a straight line, because the options given on the multiple choice questions ወይም ደግሞ ምርጫው ላይ የተሰጡት እንትኖች ኢኩዌሽኖች የስትሬት ላይን ኢኩዌሽን የሚገለጽበት መንገድ ነው የተገለጹት። ምናልባት ስትሬት ላይን ወይ ደግሞ ኢኩዌሽን የሚገለጽበትን ለማያውቅ ሰው ትንሽ ይሄ ግራ ሊገባ ይችላል። እሱን አንዴ ላብራራና እንመለስ። ዛካ ምን ማለት እንደሆነ እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት y is equal to ምርጫው ላይ የተሰጠው y is equal to x plus 2 says y is equal to x plus 2. Here y, a line represented by y is equal to x is equal x plus 1. The slope of this line is 1 and 2 is the y-intercept. What is y-intercept? The y-intercept is at the point the line crosses this equation. This line crosses the y-axis when x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to right here, 0 here, and the line crosses at point 2 for this specific equation. So 2 is the intercept, so it's written in a slope intercept form, and the slope is 1 because the slope is the coefficient of the x. This is 1. What about here? The slope is 1 and the y-intercept is 4. What about here? And see, slope is 2 and the y-intercept is 3, right? Because when you put x is equal to 0 here, the slope is 3. And so to solve the problem without this substituting, you can solve by substituting numbers from here and just identifying which equation satisfies the above numbers in the table. Let's substitute 0 in every equation. It should bring, if you substitute x 0, it should give us 3. The easiest from these both data is substituting zeros. So when you substitute 0 right here, becomes 2, but it's given data it should be 3. So this is not, it's cancelled out. So B, option B, when you put 0, it becomes 4, y is equal to 4. So it's also cancelled out. In C, when you put 0, y is equal to 3. So it still works. So there could be one of the lines. So what about here? When you put 0 in place of x, this becomes 1. So the answer is, without solving the answer is C. The probability of the answer is C. But you can solve it. You solve from the given data and write the equation without going anywhere. Let me solve it for you. Let's go and solve. Here you go. The equation of a line is written in the form of, the equation of the line is written in the y is equal to mx plus b, where m is equal to slope of the line and b is equal to y intercept. Slope means, let's say, take this. See, this is 0 b intercept. This is slope is m is equal to change in y over change in x. So to solve this problem, let's take two easy numbers from those lists. Let's take the last number 7, 5 and 2, 1. 7 minus 5, changing y means 7 in y. 7 minus 5 m is equal to 7 minus 5 over, changing x is 2 minus 1, which is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 over 1, which is equal to 2. So the slope is 2. So m is equal to, so y is equal to 2x plus b, that's as I told you, the value of, that is the y-intercept, that is the value of y, the value of y when x is equal to 0. It's already given in the table. The value of x when x, the value of x is 0, the value of y is 3. So 2x plus 3. You see, here you go. The value of 0, x is 0, x is ዋጋ 0 ሲሆን የy value 3 ነው። ስለዚህ ቀጥታ ይሄን ኢኩዌሽን ማለት ነው። ይሄን ብናይ ምርጫው ላይ ቅድም ያለው ኢኩዌሽን እናገኛለን ማለት ነው። So let's get back to our table. 2x plus 3, c. That's the same answer. Substituting or solving the problem. This is higher mathematics. This is higher mathematics. You will learn it in coordinate geometry in higher mathematics. So don't worry about that. Just substitute and try to solve the problem. And this for now. So